Is someone infringing on your utility patent on Amazon? Here's how to take them down using Apex. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a great priced attorney in the USA. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon, and the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first thing is we need to find our item. So here's our item. It's a Navage. It's like a nasal thing that helps clear out your nasal passages. And we're gonna find the counterfeit. So here is an example of the counterfeit, and supposedly they are violating our utility patent. So now what we do is we're gonna pull up our utility patent. Now we're looking at this patent right here, and we can see it has the letter D in it. The letter D means it's a design patent, so this one is not going to work. If it doesn't have the letter D, it means it's a utility patent. So this is a utility patent here, and we're gonna read through it, and we're gonna make sure that this counterfeit is in fact violating our utility patent. The easiest way to do that is to look at the claim section. So you can see number 2, the nasal lavage device, claim 1, wherein the fluid passageway communicates with the saline relative to the nostrils in pre-selected direction. So you can see that, does this item actually violate one of our claims, any of our claims in this utility patent? If it does, then it's time to report them and get them removed on Amazon. So to get them removed, all you're gonna do is open up a separate tab and go to brandregistry.amazon.com, and then you're gonna log in. If you don't have a login, create one, and then all you have to do is have a trademark, and then Amazon gives you access to this amazing platform. And once you're in, you're gonna click protect, you're gonna click report a violation, and you're simply gonna type in their ASIN. So this is the counterfeit ASIN that we wanna get removed. It starts with B as in boy, it's right at the top as you can see, and we're going to go back here. We're gonna say it's on Amazon.com in the US, it's got the US flag. You're gonna search for it, you're gonna click the ASIN, and we wanna get those suckers removed. So you're gonna do patent infringement. Once you're here, you're gonna say, is it a utility patent or a design patent? I just showed you the difference. You're gonna click utility patent, and you're gonna put your brand name in here. Let's just say this is our brand name. Do you have the patent number? Of course we do. It's right here. Put that in there. Now you're gonna provide the information. You need to choose one claim, right? I want you to choose one claim. You can't use all the claims. So what's the best claim? So let's say this claim number 6 is the best. The nasal lavage device of claim 5, where the nasal pillow has been central cord to facilitating selective receipt and remove from pillow, yada yada. You're gonna copy that, make sure and you triple check it, and you're gonna say, dear Amazon, ASIN is violating our utility patent, specifically claim number, and we're doing number 6, which says, right, you don't have to provide tons of detail on this because you're going to be enrolling in Apex, and then you're going to click none of these, and then you're going to click yes, you want to enroll in Apex. All you have to do is put your patent expiration date. Then again, you're picking one claim number. It only allows you to enter one patent claim number, and you need to pick the best one. A great way to pick the best one is to double check them all, or to have an attorney, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video how to get a great attorney for a great price. And you're going to put the name of any corporate parents, subsidiaries, or any other entities related to the patent owner. So if you have any of those, you're going to put that in the box or check none, and then you're going to submit. Once you click submit, it's like you're summoning Batman, but instead of summoning Batman, you're summoning Amazon superpowers to remove all of those fakes. That's exactly what we want to do. So you're going to go to monitor and submission history, and it's going to say pending. You're going to be like, okay, it's pending, and Amazon is going to go through a process to get Apex started. So we're going to go to the next page to see how Apex works, so you understand what's going to happen next and how long Apex is going to take. So you can say what to expect from Apex. The initial Apex evaluation typically takes 4 to 6 weeks to complete. If a seller chooses to participate, the evaluation can take an additional 8 weeks to complete. So 12 to 14 weeks total to get this counterfeit removed from Amazon for good. During this time, the reported listing will remain live. The evaluator will determine the outcome if it does not infringe on the patent or if it's not enforceable, yada yada. Now, pretty much, they're going to reach out to you within 4 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks, and they're going to say, hey, this is what you need to do. Let's say we're Navage, they're going to say put up $4,000. So you need to actually put $4,000 to Amazon in escrow. They're going to hold it in escrow. Then once Amazon has that money, it's go time. Amazon's going to contact them and say, hey, you need to give us $4,000. If they decide, if the competitor that you want to get down decides not to put up $4,000, they automatically lose, they get removed from Amazon, and you get all of your money back. That's usually what happens. They just are like, oops, we are violating the utility patent. They don't want to put up $4,000, you get all of your money back, and they get removed. That's best case scenario. Worst case is they put up $4,000, you put up $4,000, and now you have to fight it out. Now you're only using one claim number. So now the evaluator that Amazon hires, it's an attorney in the US, and you have to say, hey, they're violating this claim and this is why they're violating it, and they have to fight back and say, hey, we're not violating this claim, this is why we're not violating it. And then the evaluator is going to say, you win or you lose. If you win, you get all of your money back and they get removed. If you lose, you have to pay Amazon $4,000 and they don't get kicked off. So usually the seller, this person doesn't want to put up $4,000, so they just automatically get kicked off and banned from Amazon. But if you do have to fight it out, then you can fight it out $4,000, and the evaluator will decide if you win or if you don't win. Now here's the status. If you are checking on this status, so you're going to submission history, it shows you application received, Apex ID granted, and then Apex ID not granted, and then application rejected or something like that. And they tell you how to do it, which I just showed you how to do it, but it does take a little bit of time, as you can see, 4 to 6 weeks. So don't get too impatient. This is going to take a little bit of time, but in my professional experience, Apex is one of the best ways to get those violators removed. And for staying towards the end of the video to find a great priced attorney in the US, what you're going to do is go to Fiverr.com, and bear with me on this. This is legit. You're going to type in patent. Now, once you type in patent, you're going to go to service options, and you're only going to want to show attorneys in the United States. So you're going to click target country, USA, and you'll see that it lowers down from 200 attorneys to only 3. And you can see the one right here, he's charging $80. He's got a 5-star review, so we're going to click on him. And right now you can see he's from the United States. I am a patent attorney with several years of experience in both prosecuting and litigating patents. This is the dude you want, right? This is the dude you want. And he's only charging $80 an hour for an hour-long Zoom call. Most attorneys are like $200 or more. This is a great price. And he's on here because he wants to make some extra income on the side. So he can help you for a great price compared to other attorneys. And the best part about Fiverr is if they don't help you and they don't do your job, you can complain to Fiverr and get all of your money back. So usually with attorneys, even if they screw you, you can't get your money back. In this case, you can. So that's a pro tip. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new in today's video, smash that like button. And if you're an Amazon seller, please do subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be helping you in your Amazon journey by releasing tons of great videos just like this one. And of course, if you need help regarding Apex, infringement, anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. We're here to help, and our #1 service is our Amazon full account management, where we'll manage your listings, find counterfeits, remove them for you without Apex if possible, and also, of course, increase your sales. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.